The Minnesota Timberwolves, they're currently 4th in the Western Conference. But tonight's game against the Dallas Mavericks, it was a battle. There were 22 lead changes and 12 ties. Karl-Anthony Towns, he had 28 points. Jimmy Butler with 22. Andrew Wiggins, he kind of disappeared. He had 10 points tonight. Yogi throws up the layup with Towns jumping straight up as he leans back to bank it off the glass. Butler dishes it outside to Teague, who dishes it right back for the splash. In the second half, the battle continues, switching the lead, tying the game. Harrison Barnes with a spin move, left-handed finish. Back the other way, it's going to be Karl-Anthony Towns being a bully, just moving bodies, and one. Timberwolves retake the lead. Shot clock cheese, Jamal Crawford gonna get the layup to fall. But with 6 minutes remaining, this game is far from over. Wes Matthews gonna knock down a 3 to bring it within 1. And then off the glass, JJ Barea takes the lead. Jimmy Butler in the clutch hits Wes Matthews with the half spin fade away. It's in. Now the Timberwolves take the lead. Mavs down by 3. Wes Matthews, the pump fake. The 3 is off. Rebound Wolves, and they hold on. 3 yards to go on the run. Actually, no, he audibles to slants. Why would he do that? Oh, he threw a pick. Look at this. Oh, he threw a pick for no reason. Why would you do that? I just saved the team right there with that tackle. Why would you throw slants?